Shawty, if you down, I'm down too. No cap, no way. Whole lot of gang-ish bricks.
Catch through the mud, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. Chanel dress, clean up a mess. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Count up a hun.
This is a mukbang. We look busted, but whatever. Hold on. Are we not? No, honey. It's kind of cold. No cap. Just because he's breaks don't mean I gotta be. So whoop. Whole lot of gang-ish. What a gang. No cap. Quit. This ain't have a double chin, okay? It's not very good. It's got a big face. A lot of gang.
Gang.
Oh, gang. No cap. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair up too. Another sister. We've been very depressed lately. I just need a thug. This really do taste like doo-doo. Why do you say doo-doo? Chef. Oh, you're really rude. No cap. A lot of gang shit, you know? Yeah, and there's so you can get slaughtered. With a whole lot of gang-ish. But you know, I'm just bricking, man. Oh my god. That's a white cheese. I don't like white cheese. Mayonnaise. Stop, I swear to God. Keep my no cap, I'm gonna slaughter you. I'm gonna slaughter your body. And that's a threat. Okay. Stop. Gaming. I'm telling you. Mom. It's your fault. My stomach hurts. You're bisexual? Oh my god, I think I'm putting chocolates. I think I'm poo-poo. I'm bi. I'm not even bi, I'm just gay. You like when I put your ear? You like? This is the end of our video. We're both very tired and very exhausted and very pregnant and very bi. No cap. We're very brick. Stop laughing. This is our outro. And we just want to say bye from your local buys.